When we talk about complex conjugates, we mean two numbers which are of the form a plus bi and a minus bi, and where the only difference between the two numbers is the sign between the a and the bi. And one of the cool things about complex conjugates is that if you multiply them together, it gives you a real number. So, for example, if we were to multiply a plus bi times a minus bi, well, we do the FOIL, right? So the first term, a times a, that's a squared. Then the outer term is going to give us minus a bi. The middle term is going to give us plus a bi. And then the last term is going to give us minus b squared I squared, right? So notice that we have a minus abi and a plus abi. When we add them together, they're going to give us 0. So what's left? We have a squared minus b squared times I squared. But we know that I squared is the same thing as negative 1. So when you multiply two complex conjugates together, what you end up getting here is a squared plus p squared. And that's the cool thing about complex conjugates. So for example, if we're talking about the complex conjugates 3 plus 4i and 3 minus 4i, well, we can use this formula, right? Since it gives you a squared plus b squared, well, in this case, a is equal to 3, and b is equal to 4, if we look at it like this, right? Right, a is equal to 3, and b is equal to 4. So what this is going to equal is a squared plus b squared. So it's going to be 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is going to be 9 plus 16, which is 25. So that's how complex conjugates work.